and the bitter fight was o'er. Our brave boys slept beneath the clay, on this earth they are no more. The moonbeam shone o'er the battlefield where a dying rebel lay. His arms were crossed and his body was stretched, his lifeblood flowed away. Our comrades in silent ambush laid, for the evening sky was clear. Yet not one man was then afraid, our brave boys knew no fear. Few people in the city streets had heard of that fierce affray, of that valiant youth whose home was set into prairie far away. A volunteer passing heard poor Sean moan as the wounded man lay on the ground. For this comrade knew Sean was one of their own, as he wearily looked around. Lift me gently, he whispered, no more on this earth can I stay. I will never return to my own native home, into prairie far away. A lock of my hair I implore you take, to that mother I love tenderly. I implore you to give to her for my sake, then I know she'd think fondly of me. Tell her that here in the battle of life, for the dawn of bright freedom's day, I prayed for my home in the thick of the strife, into prairie far away. The soldiers of Ireland bore him high on their shoulders with solemn tread, and many a heart with tearful sigh wept over our patriot dead. In silence they lowered him in the grave, to rest till the reckoning day. Sean Tracy, who died his home to save, into prairie far away.